Hi, Larry Gaines, Power Cycle Trading. In this video, I want to show you one of my favorite trade setups, and this is a setup using what we call the Long Condor. So it's a great structure because what you can do is you can start out with a directional trade, either up or down, and then convert the trade to really lower your risk, neutralize your risk, and that sometimes even make it a free trade. So this is an example of making a free trade using this Condor. So this trade setup was based on looking to short the SPY ETF. So we set up a put debit spread here on the 21st. Okay, so key Fibonacci levels here. You can see how this was kind of a support, that 275, this level here, and it came down, broke it one time, pushed back up, failed, broke it again. So we're looking for a flush or push back down to the next key support level Fibonacci, which would be the 618 at 270. So we set up on the 21st a put debit spread, and buying the two. Let me pull up the option chain to show you on that spread to show you the setup, and then we converted it to a Condor when it flushed down here on the 25th, had that really big sell-off. So let's take a look. So on the 21st, right here, we bought the 273 put, so a little bit out of the money, and then sold short against the 270 right there at that support level. Okay, so bought the 273, 270 for the June 29 expiration. That's the weekly that expires tomorrow, Friday, at $65. So this was set up last week. And then on Monday of this week, when it flushed down real hard down to 269, sold the 268, 265 bull put credit spread, bringing in $65 credit. So you can see here your debit side was 65. Now, when this was sold down hard, did a bull put credit spread here at the 268, so one strike below, 268, 265, brought in 65. So now you've got a trade structure with zero risk. Zero risk to the downside, zero risk to the upside. So you can see that it went out today on the 28th right here at 270, so it's up, you know, $138 per option spread, and the risk is zero. Zero to the downside or upside. And the beauty of this is if it goes out tomorrow expiration, anywhere between the short strike of your put spread of 270 short right here, or the bull put short strike 268, and here that's $300 and zero risk, so almost like an infinite return. So that's one of my favorite trade structures. You can do this, you know, using calls or puts, etc. So this was using the put spread, and then converting that to the long put, what we call the long put Condor. Okay, hope this helps. Talk to you on my next video update.